Good morning, children. I'm Ketan sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Western School. In previous class, I have explained concept exponents. Today also we have to continue the same topic, exponents. Children, open your textbook, page number 26. Page number 26. See, problem number 10, exercise 2.1. If x is equal to 3 by 2 whole square into 2 by 3 whole power minus 4, find the value of x power minus 2. Okay, find the value of x power minus 2. Okay, children, once you read this question, if x is equal to 3 by 2 whole square into 2 by 3 whole power minus 4, find the value of x power minus 2. Okay. X is equal to 3 by 2 whole square into 2 by 3 whole power minus 4. So that is equal to 3 by 2 whole square into 2 by 3 whole power minus 4. This one we can write 3 by 2, the reciprocal of 2 by 3, 3 by 2. So this minus 4, the exponent minus 4, it will become plus 4. Okay. Next. Now, see, this is 3 by 2 whole square. Next, this is 2 by 3 whole power minus 4. Instead of 2 by 3, I am writing 3 by 2. So this exponent minus 4, it will become plus 4. Now, 3 by 2 whole power 2 plus 4. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So that is equal to 3 by 2 whole power 2 plus 4, 6. Okay. Actually what we have to find? We have to find x power minus 2. This is x power minus 2. So x power minus 2 is equal to, so what is x here? 3 by 2 whole power 6. So 3 by 2 whole power 6. Again whole power, so x power minus 2. This is x, so power minus 2. Now this is equal to 3 by 2, 6 into minus 2. So that is equal to 3 by 2, 6 2s are 12. So minus 12. So x power minus 2 is equal to 3 by 2 whole power minus 12. So x power minus 2 is equal to this 3 by 2 whole power minus 12. Instead of 3 by 2, I am writing 2 by 3. Then what is the exponent? The exponent minus 12, it will become plus 12. So finally we got x power minus 2 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 12. Okay, children? Children, note down. In the same page, now I will introduce standard form of scientific notation. What is that? Standard form of scientific notation. I will explain that. See, standard form of scientific notation. standard form of scientific notation. Okay. See, once you 42,300, this one, look at the following numbers and their equivalent notation. See, this one, once you observe, this is 4.23, see, one thing, 42,300. This one, 423 into 100. Yes? So that is equal to 423 into 10 square. This one, 4.23 into, after decimal, 2 digits. That's why 10 square. Okay. Again this 10 square. See, why? Because 423 is equal to 4.23 into 100. That means 4.23 into 10 square. I applied the same thing. Instead of 423, 423 is equal to 4.23 into 100. That is equal to 4.23 into 10 square. So that is equal to 4.23 into 2 plus 2. That is equal to 4.23 into 10 power 4. Okay. So 42,300, in this notation I wrote 4.23 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay. Next. This is one. Next, one more I will explain. Zero point 0.00000 5 zeros 245 5. So this one, that is equal to 245 by, see, after decimal how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that is equal to 10 to the power of 8. Okay. This one. Now after decimal count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that is equal to 245 into 10 to the power of minus 8. This one, we know that this is 2.45 into 10 square. Again 2.45 into 10 square, that is equal to 245 into 10 to the power of minus 8. So that is equal to 2.45 into 10, 2 plus minus 8. So that is equal to 2.45 into 10, 2 plus minus 8, that is equal to minus 6. So in this way I noted it, 2.45 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay. Next, 124. So 124 means 1.24 into 10 square. After decimal 2 digits, that's why 10 square. If you multiply, we will get 124 only. Okay. So all the above numbers are written as the product of a decimal number and an exponent of 10. See, all the above numbers are written as the product of. So this is the product of, what is this? Decimal number 2.45 is the decimal number and an exponent of 10. Okay, here what is the decimal? 1.24 is the decimal and this is exponent of 10. Okay, this is exponent of 10. An exponent of 10. So this notation of expressing numbers is known as standard form of scientific notation. This is called standard form of scientific notation. So this is one decimal number and an exponent of 10. Okay, if we write like this, then this is called standard form of scientific notation. Once again, all the above numbers are written as a product of a decimal number. This is a product of a decimal number and exponent of 10. Okay, this notation of expressing numbers, this notation of expressing numbers is known as standard form of scientific notation. Standard form of scientific notation. Okay, this is a product of one decimal number and an exponent of 10. Okay, so this notation of expressing numbers is known as standard form of scientific notation. Okay, children, now I will explain some examples. Okay, we will discuss in exercise 2.2 also. Exercise 2.2. First problem. Zero point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Standard form of scientific notation. So in this one, 0.0000000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 6, 7. Okay. First we have to write like this. Next. So this is 67 by 10 power count. After decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 67 by 10 to the power of 9. Again this one, 67 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay, next, this is 6.7 into 10. We know that after decimal, one digit, that's a 10 power 1. So 6.7 into 10 is equal to 67. This is 10 power minus 9. That is equal to 6.7 into 10 to the power of 1 plus minus 9. So that is equal to 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Okay. So this is scientific notation A. Next, B. See, this one 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6 into how many zeros? 3 zeros. That's why 10 cube into 10 cube. This one 1.25436 into after decimal how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is equal to 10 to the power of 5 into 10 cube. Okay, so that is equal to 1.25436 into 10 to the power of 5 plus 3. So 1.25436 into 10 to the power of 8. Okay, so this is the scientific standard form. 1.25436 into 10 to the power of 8. Okay, this is the B solution. Next to C. See 345. So simply we can write it 3.345. This one 3.45 into 10 square. After decimal 2 digits, that's why 10 square. Next D, do homework. E 100. So that it means 100 is equal to, okay, 1 into 10 square. 1 into 10 square. That's enough. Okay. This is a first Roman solutions. Next to second Roman. Children, note down first. Express the following in usual notation. Express the following in usual notation. And so I will explain. Children, second Roman 5.23 into 10 power 4. 5.23 into 10 power 4. Observe here 5.23 into 10 power 4. So that is equal to 5.23 10 power 4 means 1 after 4 zeros. So that is equal to 10,000. That means after decimal 2 digits, that's why 2 zeros remove, then 523 and 2 zeros. So 52,300. Okay. This is one way. Another way, 5.23 into 10 power 4. So that is equal to 5.23. This is 523 by 10 square into 10 to the power 4. So 5.23 into 10 power 4 minus 2. So 5.23 into 10 square. So that is equal to, sorry, 523. 523 into 10 square. So 523 into 10 square means 100. So 52,300. So anyhow, we will get the same answer only. Okay. So in this way, we can solve. I hope it's very clear, children. Next, one more sum I will explain. 2.05 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So 2.05 sin. This one into 10 to the power of minus 3, we can write 205 by 10 square. After decimal 2 digits, that's why 10 square into this is 10 power minus 3. This 205 into 10 to the power of minus 3 and minus 2. So 205 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 205 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So that is equal to 205 by 10 power 5. So 10 power 5 means 5 digits. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. So 0.0205. 0.0205. Okay. So simply we can say that 205 by 10 power 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros. 5 zeros means we have to after decimal 00205. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 205 by 10 to the power of 5. 205 by, okay, 1 lakh. So 5 zeros means, that means 0.00205. Okay. Next, now I will give you homework. Do this homework. Children, watch the video concentrately and do this homework. Exercise 2.1 tensum, 2.2 first Roman and second Roman. So all these problems you have to do homework. Children, again we will meet in next class. Thank you.